So today we're gonna be doing a photo shoot, but we're not using my DSLR. Today we're using the world's smallest Polaroid.
Yeah.
For the photo shoot.
So cute. Oh my
Look how tiny it is. So we're doing a Polaroid challenge. World's smallest Polaroid camera.
That's crazy.
It's so cute. I thought it would be fun to do it. So we have, I think, 8 pictures or 16 pictures. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. So the model for today's challenge is Leah. You may recognize her from my other videos.
Hi guys, I'm Leah. I'm 22 years old and I've been modeling for 4 years about, mainly in LA, but also in Europe and Asia. And I met Jessica in Tokyo actually. So it's nice to be back here too.
And we're in some nice cloudy weather, but it's nicer than the snow. We escaped the Midwest.
Yeah.
Good for us. Good for us.
Exactly.
We're gonna have to load the film real quick. I literally just charged it. I thought it used the battery, but it didn't. It's gonna like die halfway through. I charged it for like 35 minutes. That should be enough, right? All right, so here's the film. It says we have 16 pictures. Oh, that is cute. Plot twist, we're not supposed to expose that. Okay, so we do this. I'm a professional, you guys, I promise. Leah's like, I'm never texting Jessica back after this. Okay, is this it? All right. There it is. So this is the dark slide. So we're ready to shoot. All right, guys, here it is. We should just take the first photo just to test it out. But as Tyra says, you always have to be ready, even though if it's a test. This is the TikTok. Yeah. Like, why aren't you modeling? Okay. All right, so let's start off with the first photo. Maybe like bring your other, yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I needed to turn it on. That was my bad. Step 1, turn the camera on. Okay, and then bring your other arm, have it show a little bit more. Yes, there it is. Bring your chin down a bit, and then bring your, yes. This is really hard because I want to get like the perfect photo.
A little framing of it?
Yes, I need to frame it perfectly. Yes, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Look how small the picture is.
Yeah, I was wondering like, where does it?
That is tiny, you guys. She's like, where does it come? It's like as big as the earring that you're wearing. So we're gonna wait. This is in my pocket, keep it in a dark place, and then we're just gonna continue on. We have 7 photos left. Let's maybe have you like sitting, maybe like legs out this way. How about you're like following the path? Am I taking this too seriously? Yes, but how about like both legs kind of, and then you're like leaning back? Oh my God, the garbage is 100, wait, no, I'm gonna have your head blocking the garbage. That's because I'm professional. No garbage cans in this photo. Yes, you're the best view for all the 90 Day Fiancé fans out there. Did you watch it?
I do now.
Okay, have like that back arm showing like out. Okay, and 1, 2, it turned off. Okay, no. Okay, wait, it's back. We're back. 1, 2, 3. That was literally like an editorial. We're really selling something here. I don't know what it is, but we're selling trees being cut down, which is terrible. We love trees, don't do that. Okay, so I saw this area and then you were literally just looking behind me to tell me something and I'm like, that's cute, cute shot. So therefore, we're doing it right there. Yeah, just like that. This guy, I'm not trying to have him in the back. I mean, I respect what he's doing. He's cutting the grass. A little bit more twist, yeah. Have your hands kind of like this. Yeah, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 5 left. Okay, where else? Let's do one crossing. What about that? So you're right here, and then you're just looking. All right, and there's no one on the street. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I think that was it. That was good. And then, I feel like it's all just like greenery here. Let's do right here. We found this wall. Actually, I didn't really find it. It's been here. It's been here. It's been here.
It found us.
It found us. I love how much effort I'm putting into this little, like, they're like this tiny. Okay.
They're gonna be so good though.
Beauty is pain. Okay, maybe like hands. Yeah, kind of like that. Yes, I like both hands up actually. Yeah, we're in the studio. We have 2 lights set up, a beauty dish. We have a reflector, a bounce. We have 3 assistants. We have a fan going. Okay. Okay, ready? Relax your fingers a bit. Yeah. 1, 2. That, I need to take an actual picture after this, low-key, like DSLR. Okay, and then let me do like a really close-up one. Yeah, let me do a really close-up one. Yeah, right here. Yeah, looking right here. We're actually looking away. 1, 2. We have 2 left. Are we gonna get like super crazy for the last 2? Maybe we could do one, maybe like you're sitting on the ledge, you're like waiting for your Uber or a Lyft or a taxi. Yeah, okay, yes. No. Have you ever been asked to do that pose?
No, not yet.
I love how she says not yet because she knows it's baby coming. Something like this, yeah. We're on the town, night on the town, and we're just waiting. Yeah, cute. 1, 2. Okay, we have one more. What are we doing for the last one? Let's go call an Uber. Let's have her call the Lyft. She's like, I haven't done it yet. And I'm like, well, today's your lucky day. Today is the day. No, I'm just joking. I'm not gonna make you do it. Look, there's literally a Lyft right here. There's literally a Lyft. He's like, ma'am, I'm not picking you up. This is illegal. Okay, yeah, something like, yeah. Yes, we're waiting on the Uber. It hasn't come. They canceled 5 times. And the surge is like $100. I'm speaking from experience. She's like, Jessica, this is a story. This is a real life story. Okay, do we do full body or are we doing like portrait? What's the vibe? We'll do like waist up. Chin up a bit. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. She called her first Uber without actually calling it.
And I get in.
Okay, let's see how the photos turned out, shall we? Let's go. All right, so this is the reveal. We're gonna be seeing the final photos. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first one.
Ooh.
Wow.
Frame.
This is cute. This is a really good crop too. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be too close.
Yeah, no, it caught the whole photo.
You ready to see the next one?
Ooh.
These are really nice.
These are cute. I like these.
This could go in your portfolio.
Yeah. I wonder how you scan these.
Me too. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
This one's really pretty. I love the green tones too.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. That's another one. Ready for the next one?
Oh.
Love this. And it's sharp.
Yeah.
And it's very sharp.
It really caught it.
It was the almost Uber shot.
Almost Uber shot.
Almost gonna call the Uber, but we decided not to. I love this one. This was my favorite so far.
Yeah.
It's very sharp. It's kind of surprising how sharp that is.
Yeah, no kidding.
And they're so tiny. You ready to see the next one? You look
white pops
so good
too.
in this one.
The white backdrop.
Yes, I absolutely love these.
These are good.
These are so good. I love your facial expression and your hand placement. Perfect. Next one up.
Wow, the quality's crazy.
The quality is superb. And I don't really use that vocabulary, but I'm very impressed by this so far. It's very sharp, it's very
Yeah.
defined. The colors, it's like a cute portrait of Leah here. Look at that. I still like the one of you sitting down, but this one's my
really
close
pretty.
second favorite.
Really good quality.
Very good quality. I'm very impressed. Okay, ready for the next one?
Ooh.
These are so cool.
I love the blue and the green. The blue is really pretty on this.
The tones are beautiful. I'm very, very, very impressed with these. Do you notice how there's no cars or no trash cans?
Oh, wow. Look at you. No Photoshop.
I had to
needed.
like really maneuver to make sure that your head was covering the trash can.
Immaculate.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay, this one's
I kind of like it. Like the blurriness of it.
a little dark, but it's because I think it was a bit more in movement. Maybe the lighting wasn't that
Yeah.
solid, but otherwise it's interesting. It's like
Yeah.
it's a supplement shot.
Yeah.
The very last one. Are we ready?
Drum roll.
The sharpness on this image.
Wow. That's crazy.
Very, very
picks up very
beautiful.
well.
Gorgeous. I could really see this one being used in your book though.
I love it.
Okay, which one out of all of these are your favorites? This is a really cute set of
Yeah,
pictures
that's
though.
a good set right there.
Very good set. Which is your favorite?
I have 3. Okay, there's
Okay.
3 of mine.
Let's see the model's favorite. Leah, show us.
Oh no, those.
Oh, I was like, oh.
I give you those.
Those ones are Leah's favorites.
I like all of them.
This is the sharpest Polaroid quality I've ever seen.
These are all really nice.
Beautiful.